We are back into the residential building, and so I want you to open up first floor, and I'm going to show you how to do a few advanced text features. So I want you to click on the light bulb here. Sometimes you have elements that are hidden, so we're going to click on the light bulb, and I want us to unhide the text by category. So I'm going to right click this, and I'm going to choose unhide by category. So it looks like previously all of the category of text was hidden. And so I have some text here. It may look the same, may look slightly different than yours. It doesn't really matter. But the point is we're going to try to show you how to edit some of these things. So I'm going to click on this text, and we go over here into the properties panel, and we have this drop down menu, and it shows you there's a few different things that you can do for leaders. You can attach the leaders from the top, bottom, left, and so on. You can also adjust the text. Right now I have 330 seconds Arial. I'm going to change this to a quarter Arial. And so that is one option. Sometimes the defaults will allow us to change that into larger text fonts, sometimes not, depending on what's preloaded. Another way that you can change the size is just by changing the scale here. So if I change it right now, I'm 3/16 inch is a foot. If I go to 1 inch is 20 feet, then it changes the scale, but it changes the scale of my drawing, but my text still has to be readable. So I'm going to undo that and leave that the same and just change it over here in the text area. So this gives us a little bit of flexibility to change text size depending on the scale that you're using. So that's one thing that I wanted you to be aware of. The other thing is down here, we're going to reveal hidden elements, and going to unhide my witness lines. So we're going to unhide the category of witness lines. So now my drawing is going to have a lot more detail on it. Sometimes you want to adjust the witness line. And so I'm going to click on this. And if I want to change what I am dimensioning, if I click this center bubble right here, then I can dimension it from the wall instead of from this edge. So I'm dimensioning it from the wall. If I click this bubble, that sort of gives me a leader to adjust where I place this. Other things you can do is moving this vertical witness line up. It's going to be hard for me to find it. There we go. And that allows me to drag this and place a different witness line. I'm going to undo that. I don't really like that one there. But what I want you to do is take a screenshot that shows me that you've unhid these elements, that you've changed the size of this text, and that you've adjusted this witness line to be the width of this room that sort of includes this door opening area. So those are all the things that I need you to do right now. Please take a screenshot of that and email that to me.